thought my video would be lighter when it's darker. I'm not sure how 1-800-over-8000 got put on lately. I'm Fish. Gonna be shots like this? Not now, but soon. And yeah, low light does do a great job when I'm by a light. What does this say? Electronics man with DJI should do a good job, should they not? Yes, I'm on my Cannondale adventure too, and I'm having a good time. It's over a year old. Things are working out fine. I'm in the tunnel of yelling. It's just so much better when you recheck your settings. And my photo was so dark, I had to up the shutter. I'm not sure what happened, but this is a video photo grab. I'm gonna stop, take another photo. Now, I love how the sunrise is first coming up. I'm not gonna hang for it because I'm heading on down. But what does a few more seconds look like? As always, this is the DJI wireless mic for the camera called the Mic 2. And the Mic 3 is coming out. And I'm not with noise canceling. Is it artificial intelligence noise canceling? How many generations will it be? That's the question. Internal memory. You should hear the fire engines because I have no noise canceling on. You want to hear the sounds and the oomph of what's happening. Let's stop and see which way he's going. And there he's going, right across. Got another one running right behind. I'm moving along, getting to where I need to be at. I love that snowball bush. It's real nice. There, right around the little S-turn. We'll be by the water. Always cleaning and cleaning. That's what we do. We love to have a clean beach. Come along, follow me down the road. That's where, if I want to talk and not hear the sounds, I turn noise canceling on. Taking photos, video of a bag. I'm doing what we all do best, sharing the love. Maybe the next year we'll see a different painting, a moral that is. So here I am towards the end. What is he doing down there? I guess he's checking out the ride. They all check out the rides. So here I am on the pier. What a wonderful view. Look at that cloud, man. The sun's yet to come up. Be a little careful, because the boardwalk is now slippery. The pier, that is. Let's pull over so you can listen to the waves crashing. I gotta come back here soon and sit by the wave area and listen. Looks like a freighter, not a cruise ship. We got the lights on the gyro thing that goes up, that spins you around like a slingshot, lit up. So we got a time lapse going, took a photo, and now in video. So you get to see what it looks like. What a beautiful start of the day. You can hear the pigeons cooing. Do they coo? I grabbed my shot. And I got my shot right here. What a beautiful sunrise. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy that moment. I gotta back up just a little bit. Can't have the center of the waves or the sun in the shot. There you go. Highlight. Yeah, that's where I'm at. My highlight. Not really. Normally I do my highlight a little further down. When you pick a spot and you're talking the middle, you're talking about your main talk. Oh yeah. So you know what? I don't think this is going to be the main talk. So let's pick you up. Go find a highlight spot. Ah, look at that cloud. So low, so big, so pronounced. This is where I normally do my talking. I think I could go down by the train one day and get the sounds I'm looking for. Wouldn't you want to have those gorgeous sounds as is? It gives oomph to the vid. Imagine having it like so. You wouldn't hear anything of the background. Now that's the train going by. And that's the train that you're hearing going by. I'm going by now. So let's get on going. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, showed some, and talked a little. Yeah, I gotta go get with Joe, take care of his bizwags. Oh man, I got something giant to show and share, and that's the love. And on that note, I know who I am, and I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next one. They got my lines painted.